The O'Fallon Police Department hosted its annual Youth Police Academy, a week-long day camp where young adults ages 12 through 14 learn the ins and outs of what it takes to be a police officer, detective, and even a medical transporter. The camp took place at Carriel Junior High School in O'Fallon from June 24th through the 28th. Throughout the week-long intensive, campers receive hands-on experience with crime scene investigation, jail and fire department tours, range experience, and everyone's favorite, a canine demonstration. Yes, the O'Fallon PD brought in Paco, a canine with an excellent sniffer. The dog and its owner demonstrated commands and attacks, in addition to searching for drugs in foreign places. To further interest the youth police trainees, the department also brought in the SWAT team in their tank, giving the kids time to learn more about what the team does. The Youth Police Academy allows young adults to see firsthand a variety of aspects of first responders and learning the importance of responsibility and self-discipline along the way. Detective Andrew Lampy and other volunteers of the O'Fallon Police Department led the students through each day of the Youth Police Academy. There was one ultimate takeaway Lampy wanted the young adults to walk away with.
If not, just leaving with a belief that we are good people, we're human beings just like them, we can laugh, we have families, we have kids just like them.
Each year, several graduates of the Youth Police Academy come back to help out as leaders or explorers. Explorer Harrison Clinton explains why the academy is so important to him.
It's just the little things you learn that you wouldn't learn from if you're just hearing about it on the news or from friends or from adults. You get like a first-hand perspective of what the police do and the kind of things that they go through.
The Youth Police Academy teaches trainees countless lessons that all first responders have learned. From being certified in CPR to investigating a crime scene, the academy is fascinating and rewarding. The students finish the academy with a small graduation, receiving certificates and a praise from the O'Fallon Police Department. This is Cameron Bopp reporting for O'Fallon Weekly.